পুরস্কার। এরপরে আমাদের ছোটদের একটা অনুষ্ঠান আছে। 3 জন পার্টিসিপেন্ট আছে, সুমতি, শ্রীনিকা এবং প্রণব। তোমাদেরকে আস্তে আস্তে অনুরোধ করছি তোমরা এসো এবং আমাদের এই ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্স ডে উপলক্ষে তোমাদের যা যা স্পিচ দেওয়ার আছে তোমরা এখানে এসে সবার সামনে সেটা উপস্থাপন করো। সুমতি, প্রথমে এসো।
Good morning everyone present here. Today we celebrate the 79th anniversary of our nation's independence. A very happy Independence Day to everyone present here. On 15th August 1947, nearly after 200 years of British rule, India finally breathed the air of freedom. The struggle was long and filled with pain, injustice and countless sacrifices. Generations of brave revolutionaries, freedom fighters and ordinary citizens united in one dream, the dream of a free India. The freedom did not come as a gift. It was earned through courage, determination and selfless sacrifice. From the non-violent resistance to the fiery calls by revolutionaries, their efforts lit the torch of liberty which eventually forced the British to leave India. On our first Independence Day, our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, hosted the tricolor at the Red Fort and pledged to build a sovereign, secular and democratic nation. Since then, we honor this day by singing national anthem and organizing various cultural events. India has come a long way in these 79 years. Our achievements in science, technology, culture and global standing are remarkable. Yet, our journey is not complete. The future of our nation depends on each one of us, our actions, our values and the dedication to our country. So on this sacred day, let us take a firm pledge to uphold the freedom and make India a beacon of hope, peace and progress for the world. Jai Hind.